One eternity later.
Malapit na kami. Isa tulog. Stop over.
3 hours later.
Dito na kami sa LU. Oh, yung ginagawa yung 7-Eleven. So, syempre, madaling araw kami dumating. Time check. 3:47 a.m. Nakabi namin, nakakaloko. Lahat sarado. Taho. Pero ginto yung taho, 50 pesos. Thank you. You guess how much is that? No.
20,
No.
taas ba ba?
Higher.
25,
No. Higher.
30,
Higher.
40,
Higher.
50.
Yeah. So, alas 3 pa ang check-in namin today. Hindi kami successful sa paghahanap ng na-stayan sa morning. So, hintayin namin yung alas 3 na check-in.
Sun is low, but we're still here. The night is young, the stars are near. Every moment so wild and free. This is the life it's meant to be. Feel the warmth.
Dito na kami. So, we'll see.
Magaganda.
Cute. Meron din pala silang for lunch, for breakfast.
Finally, malamig. Or sa kayo na pumunta lang ng La Union para mag-food trip. Time check tayo. Tagal po. 3 o'clock yung check-in namin. Masaya na siya. Oh, nakakonect na siya sa internet ko. Masaya yan. Connected na.
Manonood ako ng Hell's Kitchen. No erase, no take backs, lunch and dinner ko na to. Narinig mo yun. You know, period, no erase, no take backs.
No.
Kayo mo yan.
A few moments later.
Check in. Finally.
Finally, check-in.
Nabalik lang naman siya. Ayan. Good for 3. Dito kami ni Shai. Si Jo.
Then, ayan, guys lang ng gamit. Si Shana naliligo na. At matutulog kami. Kaligo din. Presko. Presko. Tutulog muna kami. Wala pa kaming matinong tulog. Gigising na lang kami ng dinner. Bukas na lang kami babawi. Puro lamang ng ginawa natin kanina umaga. Mariosep. Later.
Later.
Never been a job to know bakit. Morning. Time check. 8:16 p.m. So magdi-dinner na kami. Nakapagpahinga na kami. Ang nakatulog akong basang-basa yung buko. Kaya nagka-shake tuloy. Morning. Kain kami dinner. Hi! Tapos ako kumain. Papahinga muna kami today. Tapos bukas kami babawi ng gala. Right? Good night!
The next day,
Morning! Day 2. Tapos sa day 2.
This is Africa.
Breakfast muna kami. Let's go, let's go! So, ino namin is pang silong.
There's no way.
Bon appetit!
Sakit ah. Sakit. Ang dami pumapasok. Yung ginawa nila.
Swimming kami. Tapos kami
Iitim na
mag-photoshoot.
naman ako. Let's go to the beach. Ish, let's go get away. Take it to the course. Ooh, a rapper Jenny. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I will teach you how to dive from a professional diver.
Okay, let's go.
You know, like gnarly, Tesla, gnarly, fried chicken, gnarly, okay, and then like this song. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. It's instructor Ian, the professional diver. Today I am with two of my students. That's one, that's Tita Jo, student Jo, and this student Isai. Hey, they are my two divers who will first learn today. And let's see how student Jo dives. Okay, then we will evaluate how he dives. Okay. This is getting on, ooh, and the thighs don't match. No, no, no. These videos carry on.
a few moments later.
So, lalabas kami today. Pupunta kami ng merienda. Ay! Magkakain tayo, mag-late lunch. Guys. Dito kami kay merienda, kakain. Ako hindi muna ako kakain. Hindi na ako sa karuba. Ay, ito. Hindi ako sa karuba. So, iniwan ko muna sila dun sa merienda at ako'y pupunta ng Karuba. Masarap na si Karuba. Bibutin namin abot na pakong tayo. Okay lang naman yung food. Tingin sa food. Masarap naman. Umay.
Later.
Hey, Victoria! Day 2 sa ako.
Napapansin.
Dinner, as usual. Miss G.
Oh, what about with Jenny? Jenny, like Jenny, like Jenny.
The next day,
Morning. So this is our third day and our last day. Uwi na finally. Last day. Last night. Bukas uwi na tayo, girl. Ayaw mo umuwi. Breakfast muna kami. So, tambay muna kami sa labas. Ay,
Later.
late lunch ulit, day 3. So, kita. Isa tayo. So, pupunta na talaga kami pag late lunch. Para wala kami masyadong kasabay. Kaya wala masyadong tao. Mamaya ulit ng dinner. Masarap yung steak nila in fairness.
Later.
Dami ulit. Last day. Sabi mo kasi.
2 hours later.
It's alright to not be found. That's why I'll never want you more. This shit made me feel alive.
The next day.
Morning. Last day. But number 1. Nandito na yung susi ah. So, last breakfast namin today. Finally, uuwi na kami. So, nagkikay na lang kami ng Pertas Bus for PM. So, while waiting, malamig muna kami.